Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today my video topic is about a app. App name is iManager. How can we use iManager app? This is my iManager app. It's open now. Space clean up. Space clean up. My mobile have 1.3 GB data storage is available, and the other storage was full. Only free 1.83 GB. Now we are clean up. Now we clean, not enough, and security detection. All is well. Now we go to back. We remove, and now we migrate. Select all and click on all and click on it, and all element to migrate memory card, SD card, migrate internal mobile storage to SD card. Now migration is start. 3% photos or videos and etc migrating. Now we are wait for 6%. Now we are wait. Migrating is ready. Now it will be completed. So it takes some time more because 80% is complete and 85%, 84, 85, 90, 95, 92, 93, 94, 96, 97, 98. It will be completed in 5 to 10 seconds. Now we wait. Migration is complete successfully. We click on the done and go back. You check it and clean up. We are clean up again. Now we are available internal storage of our mobile phone is 2.73. Now apps, how apps we are not use, uninstall. No, I want to uninstall. Clean up, yes, we are clean the app. Nothing for the clean. We go back and Go back. Now good best percent and security. We click on the security button. KineMaster app. All verification is in progress. It's check the security detection. Now we wait for complete the all my mobile scanning. Uh, Everything scanned by iManager. Now it's automatically scan after 30 days, and now click on 7 days turn on. Migrate apps. Now we are click on all. Now click on all. Now we go back. Now 90% excellent. Now we check the all. Now we update, update. All will be closed. Data saving mode off. Speed dial, speed test, speed background, etc. We wait for all done. View. Now we back. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel.